Hi, let's see how to prepare and apply Chemmala Sugadi Clear and Healthy Veins powder. Things we need for this mask are few cloves of garlic, water, Chemmala castor oil and Sugadi powder. First we need to put some garlic into the mixer and pour little water in order to make crushed garlic paste. Next we need to make a crushed garlic paste by grinding at a normal speed. Let's switch off the mixer and check. We got the correct consistency. We shall pour the crushed garlic to a bowl. Next we need to add Sugadi powder to this paste. The quantity of the powder to be taken depends on the area to be applied. In this demonstration we are using approximately 5 tablespoons of Sugadi powder. We may add or reduce according to our needs. We shall start adding water and mix thoroughly. We need to keep adding water until we reach the consistency as appropriate for smooth application. Let's keep adding water slowly. The preparation is ready. Now we shall use Chemmala castor oil. Pour some castor oil onto your hand. This person has varicose veins in both of his legs. Start applying the castor oil from knee down to cover all affected areas. You may notice how much his legs are affected. The oil should coat all the areas to be applied with Sugadi paste. Let's start applying the paste we have prepared. Resting the leg on an elevated or leveled platform may help us in easy application of the paste, as well as relieve the stress for the affected person. Ensure proper masking so that no affected area is left out. As you may see, we have covered all areas appropriately. We shall now move on to the other affected leg. We need to repeat the same process, starting with a pre-coat of castor oil, which is followed by application of Sugadi paste. Both the legs are masked appropriately and let to dry. It may take some time to fully dry. Now it has dried 50%. As you can see, the paste has almost dried. Once fully dried, we shall begin to wash the legs. Lukewarm water is to be used as it may help with the wash process as well as provide pain relief. Wash thoroughly until the leg is free of any residue. Both the legs are now washed thoroughly. We shall gently wipe the legs dry with a towel. Once fully wiped dry, we shall apply Chemmala castor oil to both legs, which marks the completion of the process. Chemmala castor oil is made from quality raw material, which is well received by our customers globally.